Hello guys! So for today's video, gagawin naman natin ang Experiment 7 which is entitled The DSBSC Demodulation. But before that, magpapakilala muna ako. My name is Raymond T. Sandoval. I am from BSECE, second year -1 from Our Lady of Fatima University. So simulan na natin ang Experiment 7. So, ang Experiment 7, if you've completed Experiment 6, you've seen how the envelope detector can be used to recover the original message from an AM signal. That is, demodulate it. Unfortunately, the envelope detector cannot be used to demodulate a DSBSC signal. To understand why, recall that the envelope detector outputs a signal that is a copy of its input's envelope. This works well for demodulating AM because the signal's envelopes are the same shape as the message that produced it in the first place. However, recall that a DSBSC signal's envelopes are not the same shape as the message. Instead, DSBSC signals are demodulated using a circuit called a product detector. Though product demodulator is more appropriate name and its basic block diagram is shown in figure 1 below. Other names for this type of demodulation include asynchronous detector and switching detector. So ano nga ba yung mga kailangan natin? So ang equipment natin is first, Emona Telecom Strainer 101 plus power pack syempre. Dual channel 20 MHz oscilloscope. 2 Emona Telecom Strainer 101 oscilloscope LEDs and assorted Telecom Strainer 101 patch LEDs.
Kaya dapat to represent ay oversize kaya wala dito. Tama yung solution. Tama yung solution. Tama yung ako. Ako dito ko nagtagal-spray. Dito nagtagal-spray.
Hello, BSECE -2, BSECE second year -1.